The objective of this demo will cover how to install and upgrade the Foglight cartridge for Oracle to version 5.7.5 from pre-5.7.5 versions. The video will also display the upgrade process for those pre-existing Foglight Oracle and Performance Analysis Oracle integrated agents converting to the Foglight SQL Performance Investigator extension. It is critical to know when upgrading, the process will force Foglight environments containing Foglight Oracle, Performance Analysis Oracle integrated agents to the SQL PI extension within the Foglight software. Also, the procedure will option to create a unified database for the SQL PI repository on designated Foglight agent managers. Standalone PA is not directly affected by the conversion. Please review the prerequisites and minimum requirements prior to the upgrade. Once you have extracted the DB Oracle 575.car file locally to your desktop, access and log in to the Foglight console. Click on Databases for reference. Notice that the Foglight Oracle PA integrated agent is displayed signified by the PA enabled flag indicator. When the upgrade concludes, the indicator should update reflecting to SQL PI. To install the cartridge, proceed under Dashboards, Administration, Cartridges, and Cartridge Inventory. The current running versions of the pertaining Oracle components are listed and should change reflecting the new version after the install. Click on Install Cartridge and browse to the directory containing the latest extracted DB Oracle 575.car file and select it. Click Open and Install Cartridge. The installation process will initiate. Below left corner shows the upload status. The procedure may take a few minutes to complete. When the operation has finished, a successful completion message will pop up. The cartridge has successfully updated, superseding the previous version. Components are now running under 5.7.5.1. Next step is to upgrade the Foglight Agent Manager domain and Oracle agents. To progress the upgrade, click on Databases, and the process will either continue directly to the Upgrade wizard or revert to the Databases dashboards where a clickable Upgrade button should display to enter the Upgrade wizard. Select Foglight for Oracle cartridge domain to upgrade. What's new in this version is specified at this point in the Upgrade wizard. Please take some time to review those items prior to progressing. The following screen shows all the Foglight agent managers associated with Foglight Oracle agents needed for upgrade. Select all and click on Upgrade the selected agent managers to begin the process. The operation shall begin to upgrade the Foglight agent managers and discovered Oracle agents. When the process is complete, the Foglight agent manager status will display a green indicator, and the Foglight Oracle version should change to 5.7.5.1, reflecting the upgrade operation success. Click Next. It's always good practice to validate connectivity, checking for any new elevated permissions required in this version. Select the agents and click Validate Connectivity. If an insufficient privileges status displays, there are two options to execute the grant privileges script that requires a sysadm user to run. One option is to click on View Script located in parentheses, bottom left. Copy the script and run it in each of the listed databases with a sysadm user against a Foglight database user, then validate connectivity again. Or click on Insufficient Privileges separately unless the sysadm user is identical in the listed databases and a box pops up. Supply sysadm user to execute grant scripts and click Grant. The grant process starts, updating the database user with the necessary credentials. When the status validates successfully, repeat the process for the remaining database instances with insufficient privileges status. Once the validation is successful, click Next, and the following screen will convert any Foglight Oracle, Performance Analysis Oracle, integrated agents over to the Foglight Oracle SQL PI extension. Foglight Oracle, PA Oracle integrated agents are shown with a green indicator under Status. To begin the SQL PI update, click on Assign SPI repository. A banner pops up with a brief overview on SQL PI, license information, and where to address related concerns. Acknowledge reviewing the material by clicking Accept. A dialog box displays, revealing PI repository details and also showing a list of agent managers. Review the hardware sizing guide prior to proceeding with the update. Follow the recommendations when selecting the agent manager to assign the PI repository. The list of agent managers shown with the gear icon are candidates to have a PI repository created there, if the host passes the initial resource check as part of the process. Agent managers presented with a green check mark are hosts with existing PI repositories, including any configured for Foglight SQL Server SQL PI agents. The SQL PI database is a unified repository that can contain both SQL Server and Oracle databases. Select the agent manager of choice and hit Apply. Click Update and the PI repository setup or creation commences. For the agent manager selected that fails to meet the resource requirements, another box will pop up indicating with some options. Once it's done, repeat the process if there are more agents that need updating. Notice the new indicator for SQL PI after the update and the listed PI repository for the agent. Click Next for the Success banner. At this point, the install and upgrade has been completed. Click Finish to view the agents in the corresponding database's dashboards. The new SQL PI indicator will also be prominent.